Hello, this is Mike from Isca Central. I thought I'd do a quick running session today. I've got on a Hymac in BR Green and a class 42. The class 42 is a bachmann. It's DCC fitted. I haven't put a sound chip in, maybe one day. The Hymac is an old Hornby from the 1980s. It's quite good neck. Anyway, I'm doing a running session today. I've got to self-isolate. The wife has tested positive for COVID, so I've got to isolate for up to 14 days. So I thought I'll get up here, run a few trains. I hope everybody out there is keeping fit and well. Hopefully soon there'll be a vaccine to sort this darn virus out. Anyway, I'll speak to you later. Thanks for now. Hi, Mike again. I hope you enjoyed this running session. It's just something to stop the boredom, really. I might do a couple more while I'm in lockdown before I've got to go back to work. But say, keep well, keep safe, and I'll speak to you soon. This is Mike signing off. Bye for now. Bye.